Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Riham and this is the fourth episode of the Game Dev Journey. As you all know, first you need to open the Unity Hub and then open our tutorial project. I have already opened it. So, today we're going to learn more about variables, data types, and input and also set active method. So let's get started. So first we need to open the FPS movement script. So it's opening now. So after it has opened, we can see that last time we coded this, but now we want to know more about numbers, means more about data types. So there is another data type named public, not named public, named float. Float contains numbers and decimal numbers. So that's a good thing. So let's start. Let's name it float underscore number. So equal to, let's set the number value to something named 10. So let's make it that when we click the right arrow it prints 7. When we click the left arrow it prints, sorry, not 10, 10.5 f. Remember one thing, when you are using decimal numbers, means public float, decimal numbers, you need to always give a f after you write the number. Let's make this our, means let's write the variable name, the float variable name, so float number. Let's save it, come back to Unity. It's compiling, loading. What can you say? You can say, okay, it has already reloaded it. It reloaded, means reloaded script assemblies. Let's now hit the play button. Let's hit play button. Means that when we hit the play button and we click the left arrow, it should print the number inside the float number variable. Means this thing we coded means. So let's see. Yes, look, printing. So that's a good thing. So now what we want to do is we want to do that we want to delete our object such as ground by clicking the G key. So to do it, we are going to write if input dot get key encode dot G, then we are going to write the name of our name of our object. But to access the object, we need to store it somewhere, and there comes another variable type, another data type that comes within the Unity called game object. So name object, and let's name it all in capital letters. Now equal to, you need to, sorry for equal, you no need to give any equals while you create something in a game object variable. Create a game object variable. So let's write ground dot set active, and as you can say, what does it do? It activates or it doesn't activate, means it deletes or it keeps. So we're going to keep it at the beginning. So true. It takes two things, that is true and false. If it's true, it can be seen, and if it's false, it cannot be seen. Let's print it, paste it. Let's write false. So there we go. That's our set active method. So now we will able to see, not we can see, we will able to see that if we press the G key, the ground should disappear. But before making it disappear, we need to assign the ground object to the script. So now let's assign player, and in player we have attached the script. So you need to drag the ground object, means the ground object, means ground of game object, and to means to bring it into the ground slot, means in this ground slot. So there we go. Now let's hit the play button and let's check it out. What happens now? So now it should happen that if we press the G key, the ground disappears. Wow, that's a great job. So now there's a challenge for you. The challenge for you is, now we have made the ground disappear. So now you need to do is you need to make the ground appear again when we press the OK. So pause the video and complete my challenge. I hope you have completed the challenge. So if you couldn't, let me show you. You need to copy this if and paste it. If statement, you need to copy that. Then just change this G to O and write true. Means write in here true. So now let's see. One more thing may come into your mind, that why we are using public before all the variable names. We are using public before all the variable names because to show it in the inspector window. If we use private, it won't show in the inspector window. So first let's disappear it. Now let's appear it again. So that's working. So friends, that's all for today. In the next episode, we will learn the get component method. Yep, the get component method, and also we're going to learn the basic movement. So that's all for today, everyone. Stay happy. Thank you.